Oriri a Kenya mathiete na mbere kugirika kumana na kuongereka gwa thogora wa maguta kwahoteka thirikari iri na kihonia gia thina uyu. One thutha wa munini wa President William Ruto kwiranira miario ni yambikitwo gatagati ka bunge na ministry ya kigina gwetha uria githagathago giki ginginino hatari kuhatiriria Kenya.
Tumesema kwa mambo hii ya mambo ya ushuru, bunge imeketi chini na wizara ya fedha wanazungumza kupata maelewano, ndio tuhakikishe ya kwamba mambo yetu ya maendeleo isisimame.
Akiaria kaunti-ini ya Kisii, Ruto nioreti ya Kenya matige hahu na kuona ta thirikari imatiganeirie.
Vile tumesema katika hiyo mazungumzo tutahakikisha ya kwamba hakuna Mkenya atawachwa nyuma ama Mkenya ambaye atadhulumiwa. Sisi wote tutabeba mzigo ya kupeleka taifa letu mbele na tutawajibika katika kusimamia mambo ya maendeleo.
Niongereire kuga ni nginyagia thirikari ikinyanirie ciiraniro iria yerire ya Kenya ona thengi ya morito maria marahitukira ma kibesha.
Hakuna wasiwasi, sisi tutakubaliana. We are a responsible government that understands the needs of development of our nation and the balance between those needs and every other citizen being brought along and their issues being addressed as we go into the future.
Miarieno yokite thutha wa Ruto gucemania na minister wa kigina Henry Rotich, speaker wa bunge Justin Muturi, mutongoria wa reingi bunge Eden Duale na munene wa watho Kihara Kariuki wabici-ini gwake muthenya wa ira. Okaidinio kau minister wa weji wa maguta John Munyezi niugite hari na bata igoti riu riteanirio kuona kuma riria gathikirwo rugonge rwa maguta ni rutungitio igutha.
There's less business in the oil sector now. The downstream is going down. Kenyans are not buying enough products. There's so much product now at the Kenya pipeline.
Akiaria kaunti-ini ya Kakamega thutha wa gucemania na Governor Wycliffe Oparanya, Munyezi ugite anyitite mirohonge-ini rumatia kuruhanirio hindi ya kugathikwo kwa igoti riu undu uria ukindiritwo ni Oparanya.
And personally, I want to appeal to the Excellency the President, and I will discuss with my colleagues, for the sake of business, that we allow more time to rediscuss VAT.
As a country, we are just creating problems for ourselves which we might not be able to solve in the near future. We have more appetite for money when we are limited with the same money that we are supposed to use. So we are doing a lot of borrowing that will affect Kenyans in future.
Ona kuri uguo wendia wa maguta ni ucokereirie icigo-ini ciothe cia bururi gutari muhatikano cienderi-ini cia maguta. Riu Kenya metereire mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta acoke guku bururi-ini muthia-ini wa kiumia giki monekana ni egwikira kirore mutaratara wa watho uria wiriga kuhitukio ni bunge wa gutiria kugathikwo kwa igoti riu na miaka iri. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.